In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the platform where you can type online and work in your free time to earn money from home. Also, you will have the flexibility to choose your own schedule and you can work as much as you want or as little as you want. It is up to you. And here, you're not required to have any kind of experience. So if you're a student, if you're a fresher or a housewife, you can apply for this job. Amberscript is mainly into providing transcription, subtitler, and translation kind of services online. And here you will have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere with your laptop or desktop and a stable internet connection. The company used to hire freelancers from all over the world. And so no matter what is your geographic location, you are eligible to apply for this job. As a transcriber, you will be required to first listen to the voice and then type words online. So here the platform's name is Amberscript, and become an Amberscript transcriber, captioner, or translator. Do you want to enjoy flexibility and work when you want, wherever you want? So, do you have a laptop and a reliable internet connection? Then we have the perfect job for you. So, here, as I said, that this is a flexible opportunity, and no matter what is your current location, and if you are working, or you are a fresher, or you are a housewife, the only required thing is that you must have a stable internet connection, reliable internet connection, and a laptop or desktop, and along with a headset, so that you can listen to the voice properly, clearly, and then you can type online. And Amberscript is mainly into providing transcription, subtitler, and you. Then, if this kind of job interests you, you can sign up to the platform as a transcriber, captioner, or translator. So as a transcriber, you will be required to first listen to the voice, and so you will be given different files, and you will be required to play those files and listen to the words that are being spoken, and then you have to type them online. And as a captioner, you will be Amberscript is mainly into providing transcription, subtitler, and required to translate from one language to another. Now, if we talk about the benefits, here you will have the flexibility to work from anywhere, and this can be from home or any place you like in the world, as long as there is a reliable internet connection. And you will have a flexible work schedule, so you can decide which jobs you would like to take on. So it is totally up to you. It is very flexible. So if you wish to work for like around 2 hours a day, or maybe 4 or 5 hours in a week, so it is up to you. You can work as much as you want, or you can work as little as you want. It is up to you. You can create your own schedule, and you can take whenever you want. Like, you can take offs whenever you want, and you can work whenever you want. It is up to you. And payout will be every month. You will be receiving monthly payouts for all work completed, either via PayPal or a bank transfer. So you will be required to set a PayPal account if you wish to receive the payment through PayPal. Now, here, how does it work? So choose if you want to be a transcriber, a captioner, or a translator. So you will have three types of jobs available: transcription jobs, captioner jobs, as well as translation kind of jobs. So you can choose either of them, and based on your choice, complete the Amberscript online onboarding test. And if you pass, you will be contacted as soon as a position opens up. And yeah, you can only follow these courses if you are fluent English speaker, native, or C1. So it is very much required that you are well versed in English language, because everything is going to be in English. You will be Whatever files you will be getting, those files will be in English language. Also, you will be required to decode them, or you will be required to type the words in English language only. So it is important if you are a native English speaker, or at least you should have C1 level English. Now, if not, please go to the website in your native language and sign up there to become a transcriber. Now, here, if you choose to become a transcriber, here your tasks as a transcriber will be: you firstly So as I said, you first need to listen to audio. You will be given audio files, and so you will be listening to the audio, and you will be revising the automatically generated text to make it perfect and label speakers. So the approximate payment is like it will be in euros, and like 0.45 to 1.20 per audio or video minute. So you will be getting paid as like per minute. Like if your audio file is for like 5 minutes, so you will be paid accordingly for 5 minutes. So per minute you will be paid like 0.45 to 1.20 euros. Now here, if you wish to become a captioner, so your task as a captioner will be, you first will be required to watch videos, and you will be revising the automatically generated text to make it perfect, and you need to format and synchronize text with audio. And here the payment rate will be like zero point 0.9 to 1.9 euros per audio per video minutes. So here also you will be getting paid like per minute basis. Now, so basically here, this is both like transcription as well as captioner are like very simple kind of job. You just will be required to listen to the audio or video, watch the video, and you can type words online or do all the formatting, etc. Also, you will be having like support from the automatically generated text. So this is a very simple or very like interesting kind of job. Now here, if you choose to become a translator, your task as a translator you will be required to watch captioned videos, and you need to revise the machine translated captions to make them perfect, and you will be required to format and synchronize text with audio. And here the pay rate is a bit wet. Okay, here the pay rate is higher. As a translator, you will be paid like 3.5 to 6 euros per audio per minute, per video minutes. So this is also an interesting opportunity. So all three types of opportunities are like captioner, transcription, and translator are very interesting kind of roles. So and here you're not required to have any kind of previous experience. Also, if you are a fresher or you are a college going student, you can still apply. Or if you are already working on some like full-time role, you can still work as a side hustle. So transcriber on Glassdoor, here's a review. Flexibility, a good team working at Amberscript. They are fast to respond and communicate with their transcribers. The software to work on is clear and effective and makes it easy to transcribe. Now here are some of the FAQs. So we can check out this FAQs to be more clear. So are the working hours flexible? So yes, they are. You will be having flexible working hours, and the only thing is that every work that you choose or you take up will be having some sort of deadlines, so that you need to meet up. And how do taxes work? So you can check out the tax thing. Every work that you choose or you take up will be having some sort of deadlines, so that you need to meet up. And how do taxes work? So you can check out the how will I receive jobs. So here we work with the transcriber platform, where you see an overview of all jobs assigned or available to you. When you assign or invite when we assign or invite you for a job, you will also be notified via email or Slack, which is used to communicate with our transcriber base on a daily basis. So basically you will be having all sort of communication through email or Slack. So Slack is also a platform where you can communicate with your fellow. What does the application process look like, and when will I be approved to start working for Amberscript? So here is about the application process. So because they receive a lot of applications, so they might take they might take 1 or 2 weeks to respond to your applications. So however, they will definitely respond you. They have written that waiting time can also depend on your native languages. Once we reach out to you, you will be requested to do a test job based on the Amberscript guidelines, and you will have 48 hours to take the test. If you pass, which we will let you know within a few days, you can start working immediately. So it depends. So you may get a reply like after maybe 1 or 2 days, or it may take like 1 week or 2 weeks. So it depends on the application volumes. And however, when you will be notified to take up a test job that you need to complete within 48 hours, and then if you pass the test, you can start working with the platform as a transcriber or a captioner or a translator. So now here are the mandatory are there mandatory working hours, or do I have to work a minimum amount of hours each month? So no, there's no obligation. You can determine when you work and how often you work. However, keep in mind that when you accept a job, it needs to be submitted before the set deadline. As I already mentioned that it is very important that if you choose to take up a job, you will be required to complete the task, and you will be required to submit the task within the particular deadline. So this thing is required. However, you can take up, however, you are free to take up a job or leave a job. It depends on you, and whenever you want to work, you can work. How does the payment work? So you will be paid out every month either by bank transfer or PayPal. You can choose your preferred payout method. You will receive an invoice template from us, and which you can use to create your invoices for us. So every month you will be getting payments from the company, and you can decide whether you wish to accept the payment through a bank transfer or through PayPal. What does being a transcriber or captioner with Amberscript entail? So as a transcriber or captioner with Amberscript, you can choose and claim jobs on our platform. The type, duration, and deadline are known upfront. So you can decide if the job is good fit for you and your personal schedule. You will work in our web-based editor to perfect the auto-generated text by our advanced speech-to-text engine. So here, basically, you will be working on a platform where you can see a list of jobs available, and from that list you will be required to pick any job, and you can check out the details and the deadlines, and if you wish, you can take up the job and you can complete that within the deadline. Now also you will be working through a web-based editor to perfect the auto-generated text by the advanced speech-to-text engine. So this is very interesting that the company itself is providing you like auto-generated software kind of web-based editor that will help you to it will what it will do, it will basically auto generate the text that you will be required to like type. So you just need to check that text if that text is correct or not, and then each job you submit will be reviewed by a quality controller before it's sent to a customer. Now in the event the job does not meet our requirements, you will receive feedback and are requested to redo the job. So it is like once you complete the job, you can submit the job on the platform itself. Your work will be reviewed by a quality controller, and this is great for anyone who is willing to have a side hustle kind of role, or side hustle kind of job for people who are not having any kind of like experience, or who are college goers. They must check out the platforms, and if this kind of role interests you, you can go ahead and check out all the details. So here, become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator. Amberscript has a selective network of language professionals dedicated to providing the highest accuracy manual caption, transcription, and translation services. So are you detail oriented? Do you have strong language skills? And are you open to working remotely while strictly meeting deadlines? Then start your onboarding test. So here is the onboarding test link. So that's it. So if you wish to apply, you can sign up on the platform, you can create an account, and you can start filling up the application form. So go ahead and check out all the details yourself, and thank you for listening.